A sheriff's deputy seemed to have a little too much fun making a recent arrest.
Secured. Look at that. I have a full set of cuffs on this emu. Yeah, take a look. Oh!
The St. Johns County Sheriff's Office posted body cam video of the unusual incident to social media. It started with an unusual call about an emu on the loose. Corporal Keisler was able to track it down.
Interesting. I'm in pursuit of an emu. I'm currently behind the emu. He's running back southbound in the middle of the road. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come out.
After tailing the bird, the corporal was able to corner it in a wooded area. But then he wasn't sure how to handle the situation.
I'll be honest with you, I've never handcuffed an emu before, but they'll fit around his legs, and that'll keep him from kicking.
Using handcuffs and a lasso, the corporal was able to stop the emu in its tracks.
Secured. Look at that. I have a full set of cuffs on this emu. Yeah, take a look. Oh!
The suspect was soon claimed by its owner and brought home, hopefully to a more secure living space. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm Mara Montalbano.